everybody, welcome to another episode of Wheels Woodworking with myself, Chad Wheels Palmer. This week I made a bandsaw box. I do apologize that I haven't had a video out recently. It's been a couple weeks. I had some family stuff to take care of. And as some of you know, I do work full-time, 4 on, 6 off as a 911 call taker dispatcher for BC Ambulance. I specialize in dispatching the helicopters and planes, but that's a whole other life I don't want to get into. This is where my passion is. This is what I love doing. And that being said, we did this bandsaw box. I did curly maple with Padook, a maple, then a Padook, and then another curly maple strip, and I love how it turned out. I did start out with 2, as you guys will see through the process. As I was leaving my bandsaw, I tripped with my wheelchair, and one of them fell, broke. Little devastating moment in the shop, but that's okay. With that being said, let's move forward, and please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, support me, support other woodworkers. It means a lot. Let's go ahead with this process. Okay, so I got all my pieces here that I'm going to be gluing together. So I got some nice curly maple, got some Padook, Okay, so I got my designs here. I got 2 separate ones here. This is one. I hope you guys can see that. I don't know. You might have to use a felt to see it a bit better. I got that one. It's a pretty simple design. Like I mentioned, this is my first time ever making a bandsaw box, so this is definitely pretty new to me. So I'm curious to see how they turn out. And you know, I see the big stacked ones, and that's where I want to go. I want to start doing those, and I'm like, whoa, slow it down. Let's do some basic ones. Some test runs here. So these are my first 2 I'm going to do. So these are just my templates. I just kind of cut it out, traced out a design I like. This one I kind of did a curve up, and around this one just 2 little curves on the corner, and super simple. All that I did was just took this and then just took a ruler, ding ding, and this one I actually took the head of my mallet. Just random designs. That's the cool thing about these boxes, all the research I've done. So I'm just gonna paste this down here. Got some spray adhesive, so I'm just going to put that down. And now what I want to do is go over to the bandsaw. I want to cut a back off on each one of these. And then that'll be the back. We're going to put those to the side. And then you're going to see me. I haven't done it yet. Some people do it first. But I'm just going to kind of trace out around this. And then we're going to go ahead and cut that in on the bandsaw. And I'll make sure I come in with the grain to try and hide it the best I can. So yeah, let's go forward. Let's take that back off. Let's trace it around the sides. And then let's cut the rest out on the bandsaw and get the middle out of it. Alright, so I want to go ahead and glue this together. David Picciuto, on his video, he uses a syringe to get it in there, what I think is a great idea. So I went and grabbed a syringe as well, just to get the glue up in there to make it a bit easier. And then for the last step here, I just got it in my little tub. Take our little flocker, and that's actually what it's called. As you can see, mini flocker. Oh, I could joke about that all day. And we just want to start putting it on. I want to thank everyone for tuning in to this episode of Wheels Woodworking. If you guys like my work, hit the like button, hit the red subscribe button. It really does mean a lot to myself and other woodworkers when you do that. I loved how this bandsaw box turned out. As I said before, started with 2, ended up with 1. Mishaps happen in the shop. It's a part of working in a shop. But that being said, I love how this came out, and I hope you guys enjoyed this episode, and stay tuned for another one. Thanks a lot, everyone. Be safe, build something cool.